everyone, before video we seen how to move the player by using C# script. In this video we'll see how to jump the player by using C# script. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. So if you press the space button, it should be jump, right? Just go to project settings and you can see here jump. Just go to here and you can see the jump. So the name is jump, and if you press the space button, it automatically jumps. You can see actually the button was gone. Just you can keep as a space. You can see it should be jump. So sorry, I think here you can see here the pause to button should be space. That means if you're pressing the space, automatically the player should jump. So now our target is the player should be jump if you press the space button. So for that I have to give a jump speed. Just create public. So public. So public jump speed. So jump speed should be float, right? So gives float is equal to, you can give some jump speed. I'll make it as a public. You can give in Unity editor. So just public float jump speed given, and now my target is if you press the space button, it should be jump, right? So just go here and write if input dot get button, right? Space is a button, so get button. You can see just get button up and down. You can see get button down, and you can give jump. J should be capital, because you can see here go to edit and go to project settings. You can find J should be capital, and now RB dot velocity, we are giving velocity is equal to new vector 2. So x-axis should be move with a velocity x, and y-axis we should give the jump speed, right? So RB dot velocity, so dot x comma jump speed. Just close with semicolon. Just Control S and just close this one and go to player. Just click the player and give jump speed as 3, and just now you can see I'm pressing the space button. You can see it's moving, not bad, it's jumping, right? And you can give it as a 5. I think it's very clear. Yes, it's moving and it's jumping. It's jumping. It's jumping. So this is the way. If I take the bounciness, just I'll keep the none. You can find the difference between now. Yes, you can see it's not bouncing. That's it, because I removed the bounciness. So that's all. I think it's very clear how to write the code, jump code. Just I'm written in if statement. If I press the button, which is space button, automatically it should jump. That's all. That's all for this video, and I'll come with another video, that is player animations. If player is flying, the ribs should be, the feather should be flying. So I'll come with another video. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel, because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share